Today, the Council had a meeting of various leaders from different organizations and unanimously took a few resolutions to strengthen the ILP implementation in the state. The leaders of the Council had decided to start off with a tour program in the coming days to meet stakeholders since they feel that the ILP movement in the state should be a movement that all people understand the meaning of it, and that everyone in the state should feel that this is our land, we own it, and we should protect it from any intruders. The ILP movement should not be mixed with any political party agendas, but it should be like the fight for hill states where only one voice was heard. He further said on January 21st, which is Meghalaya Day, the Council will meet again in different parts of the state to raise important issues since they feel these issues concerning the welfare of the states are more important than the celebrations of attaining statehood. He added that they are not against creations of the state, but looking back at the Hill State movement, they are inspired to do the same. That is, to ensure security and development in the state with one single voice.
And the resolution number one is that the leaders council in this coming day, we will have a tour program meeting various leaders and local leaders in Khasi Jinti Hill and Garhwil. We thought that the movement should be a movement by the people, for the people, and of the people. We want to see that the ILP movement should be a movement that all the leaders across the state, that they should feel that they own it. We don't want to locate, or we don't want to mix this movement as a movement of only of the political party or the movement of only the pressure group. We want that each and every body should feel that this revolution or this movement is belong to them also. So we will meet various leaders, especially the traditional head like the Nokma, the Doloi, the Sim, the Lungdo, or even the clan leaders. This movement gained solid momentum. No doubt this movement has been supported by various people across the region, but we want to ensure that this movement should become a very, very strong movement so that the union government will finally honors the aspiration of the indigenous people and will give it. This is the first resolution. The second resolution, we also decided that on the 21st of January this year, which is the Meghalaya Day, or the foundation day of the statehood of Meghalaya, we will have an agitation program in the state capital and also in other districts of the state as a whole. It's not that we oppose creation of Meghalaya. It's not that we show the disrespect to the creation of Meghalaya. But if we see the history behind the Hill State movement, the leaders of various Hill State movement has sacrificed